Myself is GB Sheikh and aged around 43 years, and I work as an IT professional in Hyderabad, and I live in Hyderabad, Rajendra Nagar. And I used to have a lot of pain and discomfort in my both the knees for more than 6 years, and it has got worse in 2015. Then I was not able to even walk up, walk down, and when I sit on the ground, I was not able to stand up. When I sit longer on bathroom or on natural calls, it was difficult for me to stand up from there. And the huge discomfort used to be there. Always I used to sense that there is something, some discomfort is there in my knees. And if I try to climb any chairs and all without support, I was not able to do it. Then I researched, what are the options available to me to get rid of this pain and discomfort which I have. Then I researched on the internet and spoke to few friends. Then I found out there is some research went on by Dr. Shetty in UK, and then I found out they are doing some PRP and stem cell research therapy for knee, relief, which has got a cell regeneration effect. Then I tried to write to them, and then they told me that there is Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Krishnaya is available here in Hyderabad who have been trained. Then with that clue, I have been able to get in touch with Mr. Dr. Sanjay Tapadia. I met up him in KIMS. He has looked after both the knees and suggested me to go through X-rays and all. And then finally, he explained me what are the benefits of going in for a PRP injection, and what are the whatever minor contradictions are there if I opt for this. Then after having gone through the whole briefing session from Dr. Sanjay, I felt that this is the let me try, give me a try. Lot of options are available. What if if I give one more try to get rid of this pain? So I was not in completely 100% confidence that this will give me the kind of relief that I was looking for, but I have given a try. What is wrong in giving a try? So I came to them on in the month of October 2015, and there was a team led by Dr. Sanjay, Dr. Saida from a clinical research side. They all have gathered and took all my details and history and everything. Then I was actually subjected that day for PRP injection. I was a little worried about how much pain it is going to go through, but fortunately it was like an ant scratch when I went through the procedure. It is what less than 1 or 2 minutes procedure, and Dr. Sanjay did it very smoothly, and I didn't even feel the pinch of it. And then with lot of doubt, this could be one more procedure that I'm going to go through, may not that benefit me what these doctors are saying. Doctors always say like this. That was the kind of negative thoughts that I had, and I went. And 2 3 days passed. Some fantastic, excellent, miraculous results have started appearing to me. I was able to go to natural calls, stand up like anything. Then as the days have progressed of the injection has taken place, within 2 weeks of time, I was so happy, I was so confident, I was so really, really, amazed to see the results which I have seen. And it's really amazing to see that, a lot of benefit has happened. On a scale of 100, I can simply say that, I was more than 75% relieved from a discomfort level, from the pain. I used to stand up from the ground. I used to drive my vehicle. Earlier, it was in a paining story when I used to drive my vehicle and put a brake on vehicle. Now I was able to do that. So totally, I was very much satisfied. It was like a blessing, come from the God. Then things have been very, very good for me from there onwards. And in the meanwhile, in the month of January, I was doing some gym, and I made some mistake on the lifting something, and then it aggravated for a short period of time of a week or so. Then Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Saida has looked into it, and they have given me some medicine just to come back to the normalcy. And by the grace of God, I have been able to come back, and it was very, very good experience. And I was able to again, come today. I was able to come back to the normalcy. There was no discomfort after a short escalation of around aggravation of around 10 days. And now I am back to normal. And I was so happy that, I wanted to pursue this therapy further. And since it has almost 6 months passed from October to this day, I came back to Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Saida to again, undergo this treatment. And today, again, I have taken one more PRP shots in my both the knees, and I hope to see that I would be running again in the gym and on the roads as an athlete. Thank you so much, Dr. Sanjay and Dr. Saida. Thank you very much.